There is a planet 63 light years away. It looks beautiful, impossibly, heartbreakingly blue. If you saw it from space, you'd think it was the most gorgeous thing in the universe. You might even want to visit. Don't. Because on that planet, it rains glass. Not water, not acid. Glass. Silicate crystals. The same material as the window you're looking through right now. Raining sideways. In winds moving at 5,400 miles per hour. That's Mach 7. Before you could blink, before you could scream, you would be gone. Sand blasted into nothing by a storm that has never, in the 4 billion years this planet has existed, ever stopped. In 2005, astronomers detected something unusual orbiting a star called HD 189733b. It was a planet, a gas giant, roughly the size of Jupiter. Its orbit was so close to its star that a full year there takes just 2.2 Earth days. They named it HD 189733b. Not very poetic. But then, nothing about this planet is poetic. It took another 8 years and the Hubble Space Telescope to find out what that blue color actually was. Scientists measured how the light changed as the planet moved behind its star. They were looking for water, for methane, for something familiar. What they found was silicate, glass, in the atmosphere. And once they found the glass, they found the wind. And once they understood the wind, the full picture became clear. This is not just one of the most dangerous planets ever discovered. It might be the most complete hell in the known universe, and scientists have now watched it in real time. Here is what actually happens on HD 189733b. The planet is tidally locked. One side always faces the star. That side is permanently around 1,000 degrees Celsius. The night side is hundreds of degrees cooler. That temperature difference, never ending, never evening out, creates a pressure gradient, a river of atmosphere rushing from one side to the other, forever. For comparison, the fastest wind ever recorded on Earth was 253 miles per hour in a Category 5 hurricane. Those winds flatten cities. HD 189733b's winds are 21 times faster. Now add the glass. At those temperatures, around 1,000 degrees Celsius, silicate minerals in the atmosphere don't settle into rocks. They become fine particles, nanoscale shards. They stay suspended in the atmosphere, and the wind carries them. Think of sandpaper, then make the sand particles 1,000 times smaller. Then launch it at Mach 7. That is what every square centimeter of HD 189733b's atmosphere looks like. Silicate particles were confirmed in HD 189733b's atmosphere. HD 189733b is a gas giant, like Jupiter. That means there is no surface, no ground, no rock, no place to land. The atmosphere gets denser as you fall. Then denser still, until the gas becomes liquid under its own pressure. And the liquid becomes something that isn't quite solid, isn't quite liquid. A state of matter that only exists under pressures our instruments struggle to measure. HD 189733b is approximately 1.13 times the radius of Jupiter. Its mass is 1.14 Jupiter masses. It's a near twin of Jupiter, but 13 times closer to its star than Mercury is to the Sun. At the depth you'd reach after falling for hours, the pressure would crush a steel submarine in milliseconds. The temperature, over 3,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of the Sun. You would not hit the bottom. You would dissolve, atom by atom, in silence. Because at those pressures, there is no such thing as a pressure wave. No sound. So the planet is a glass sandstorm on the outside, and a crushing, silent furnace within. But we still haven't talked about the thing that makes HD 189733b unique among all exoplanets ever found. Something scientists never expected to see. Something that rewrote how we think about planets. In 2013, a team of scientists at Oxford made a mistake. Or rather, they thought they'd made one. They were analyzing light passing through HD 189733b's atmosphere during a transit. The planet passed in front of its star. Hubble measured how the star's light changed. Different molecules absorb different wavelengths. That's how we detect what's in an atmosphere, 63 light-years away. The data showed a blue tint, a slight but unmistakable absorption in the red wavelengths. Something was scattering blue light. They ran the numbers again. Same result. The planet was blue. Genuinely, physically blue. Not because of water like Earth, not because of ice or methane, because of silicate aerosols. Glass particles suspended in the upper atmosphere, scattering short. The universe is vast. It is ancient. It is mostly hostile. Planets like HD 189733b are not the exception. We are. The glass, the heat, the silence, the pressure. That is the norm. This place, where water falls soft and cold and harmless, is the accident. A beautiful, impossible accident. 63 light-years away from the nearest reminder of how rare it is.